And we issued our own commission admitting to our own violations of human rights in our military camps. Mandela was released from prison. He called me from the negotiations and he asked me to sit at the press conference and explain and take responsibility for our human rights violations. So I did that. That's the press conference. This is 1985, where I'm elected to the National Executive. When I'm arrested, Zarina writes this story for the British publication The Observer. I think the big thing about this is my son saying to his mother, when she's trying to pacify him, he's saying, "Mom, it's not a question of when we will see Dad, the question is whether we will see him." This is her campaigning in Europe. This is demonstrations in Trafalgar Square in London. Archbishop Trevor Huddleston, one of the people with the highest awards from South Africa for his participation in the struggle. And this is the children demonstrating, and that's how old they were. Zarina is being carrying Joey, and there's our little boy there. And this article is an article I wrote when we negotiated the interim constitution, and we said that the constitution will only have validity if the white parliament